welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using AI. So you can create free thumbnails for split testing, and whatever you put in the search box for that AI thumbnail, it will generate. You can easily regenerate new thumbnails. You can add different elements such as text within Canva. You can add photographs, graphics, stuff like that. I'll run all through that with you. Make sure you quality test your thumbnails, because some of them can look a bit strange after you've generated your thumbnails. The person's faces in the thumbnails can have continuous teeth, warped smiles, and fingers that can look a bit strange. One of them in my video example I will show you looks like the lady's fingers got an ice cream stuck on the end. Some of the fingers can be a little thin, so look out for all these things at the end. So if you go into create design, go at the top and then select YouTube thumbnail. So here we can see the thumbnail, the correct ratio. If we go down to generate a new design, type on in that search box whatever you want. So we've gone to styles here. We're looking for photograph. You can look for whatever you want. And then shape. You need the correct shape. So we've gone for landscape. So it's generating the image now. So as we go through these, you can see that some of the images look a bit strange. Some people have strange smiles that have been generated. So when you expand the picture more, you may decide that you don't like the image that is generated. So tap on generate more. So here I'm just expanding it to what I'm doing. So now I go up to elements, and then I type in YouTube logo. In elements you can add whatever you want if it's there in the search engine can find it. So you can either have the logo up there, or you can have it further down. But it might subliminally encourage people to subscribe if it's in the bottom right hand corner, or to click to watch your video. So I'm going to move it down to the right hand corner. I pressed T on my keyboard for text to generate text. Now I'm choosing the colour of my text from the colour palette. And then I go at the top to effects, text a certain size so that people can see it from a distance. Certain pictures with smiles can evoke reactions. We're all human. Everyone likes somebody that smiles. Colours evoke emotions such as blues. So I'm going to show you some images. This lady looks like she's got an ice cream on the end of her finger or thumb. And in the next video, a person has a very strange smile. Well, not video, photograph. Subscribe to watch the next video.